Welcome back everyone to another video, and in today's video I'll be doing a quick unboxing on these two things right here which I bought for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now I've got the wireless charger Duo and a black silicone cover for, well, like I said, this phone right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a quick unboxing on these things. So first I guess we'll start with the case. I'll just quickly cut the seals on the box so I can pull it out. Alright, there we go. And now let's pull it out. Okay, there we go. And there it is. So it's wrapped in some sort of like paper plastic or something. I don't know if this is paper or plastic. I believe this is paper probably. And there is the case, and okay, on video it does look like it's like black sort of, but it's actually more of like a grayish color. Yeah, as you can see, it's not really the same color on the box, but on video it does look like it is. But I mean, it still looks really nice. You get some paperwork. It shows you how to put it on, which most people know, or probably everyone knows how to put on a case. It's not really hard, but okay. Yeah, so let's put all of this paper stuff aside and put the case on the phone. Okay, so here it is. And all right, that's it there. And yeah, that looks really nice. Well, yeah, I like this. Yeah, so this is like pretty much like any other silicone case, pretty much. And yeah, I do really like the design of this. It doesn't actually have like a massive cutout for the cameras, it just kind of covers them, or like, you know, just has the camera cutouts. Whereas like I have another case here, which this is the case I've been running on the phone for, well, since I got it, and as you can see, it just has this big cutout here for the cameras, whereas this one just has kind of like just these cutouts for the cameras, and that's it. And yeah, that's that. All right, so now I guess we will open this. Now I actually did open this before just to take a look at this, but I actually didn't use this yet, so I will quickly cut the seals on this as well. Well, yeah, I opened this, but I did kind of just like, so instead of cutting the seals, I kind of just like unpeeled them and then I stuck them back on now. So I guess I'll just cut them now. So yeah, there's the first one, the second one, and then the last one. Okay, there we go. It's open there. Now let's pull this thing out. I will also be testing this thing out, obviously. Okay, and there it is. I actually really like the design of this thing. I'm gonna put this box aside. Alright, so there it is. So right there is where you would place your Galaxy Watch, and then right there you obviously place your phone or your Galaxy Buds. And yeah, there's a thing. There's this plastic here. I guess I will peel this off. Okay. Yeah, just place this here for now. And then in here you have quick start guide. And then on the back it shows you how to use it. And then in here you have your charging brick. Now I believe this is 9 watt. I know this is 9 watts, but I believe this is either 9 or 12 watt charging brick. I'm not exactly sure, but it's a fast charging brick, as you can see, adaptive fast charging. And then you just get your USB to USB-C charger, or cable, I mean, and that's all you get in the box. All right, so let me quickly show you guys how this works. Okay, so right there, I guess you can place your phone. and then right there you can place your watch like this. And then you can also, I guess, if you have buds, like right here, you can also charge them here. I don't actually know if you can charge the buds here. Well, obviously you can't charge the watch there. But yeah, anyway, let's just quickly, I guess, plug this thing in so I can show you guys, you know, it working and that. So yeah, as you can see, you got two LED lights here as well. So they will show you whether your stuff is charging. So yeah, I guess we'll start with my phone first. Let's place it there. And as you can see, it is charging. Now, right there it says fast wireless charging, and the LED is on. Okay, I accidentally moved my tripod, sorry about that. And then we have my Galaxy watch right there. And should start charging. There we go. And yeah, both of these are now charging. Now with the buds, let's charge the buds. And they are charging. Let me quickly open the case. Okay, yeah, there we go. You can see the buds are charging as well. Now, I guess we'll try a few other phones. So we have a Galaxy Note 10 Plus here. There we go. That is charging. Yeah, so again, don't think you can charge your watch here. Yeah, you can't. I don't know if you can actually charge anything there. Yeah, see, nothing is charging there. I've heard people say that you can actually charge stuff there. I don't think the watch charges on that as well. Yeah, so you can only charge your watch there. But you can charge your buds and phone here. I guess we'll try one more phone. I just have a S8 here, an old S8. And that is charging as well. Yeah, so okay, let's try the phone and the watch again. Yeah, there's the phone. There's the watch. So yeah, that's that. Pretty much everything that I can really show about this. And yeah, here's the case one more time. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here since there's nothing really else to really say. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.